How to set up proxy in Zhan Fu with Proxy302. First, let's open www.proxy302.com and log in Proxy302. Then select and create a proxy. For example, we choose a static IP charged by traffic. We search US in country. Then click the button generated. By the way, Proxy302 supports HTTP and SOX 5 protocol. Click the blue button next to the proxy information to check detail of proxy. This window can quickly copy proxy information. And now, let's start the Zhan Fu browser. First, click the second button to create a device. We follow the arrow step by step to create a device. After following the arrows, click confirm the coupon used, then click the blue button to pay. Then, click My Device. Update the proxy setting. Click More, then choose Update Equipment. Paste the proxy information copied from Proxy302, and we click the blue button to save. Next, click Store Management to create store window. Click the Beal button. Customize the store info and click Save. Before official use, we need to bind the device to the store. Click More and Binding Stores. Select the store and save. Click Confirm and back to the store management. Now, click the blue button to start the store. Wait for a minute, then create a new tab and turn to this website to test. Detection result is consistent with Proxy302. Proxy connection is successful. Thank you for watching.